Hello friends, today I'm introducing you to Hyundai's latest model, the Hyundai Ioniq 9, which is set to revolutionize the world of electric vehicles. This impressive SUV stands out not only with its modern design, but also with its long range, advanced technologies, and sustainable features. If you're curious about the future of electric vehicles, you're in the right place. Let's explore this innovative model together. Hyundai Ioniq 9, the flagship of the electric future. Hyundai's Ioniq series has made a significant impact in the electric vehicle market, and the latest edition, the Hyundai Ioniq 9, takes the brand's commitment to EVs to the next level. Designed as a large SUV, the Ioniq 9 caters to families, long-distance travelers, and those seeking premium comfort. Here's a comprehensive overview of this upcoming model. Design. The Hyundai Ioniq 9 showcases a modern and futuristic design philosophy. Exterior design. The front features a smooth, grille-less design for improved aerodynamics. Advanced LED lighting and Hyundai's parametric pixel design language give the SUV a bold and distinctive appearance. Large wheels and muscular body lines emphasize its robust SUV character. Interior design. Inside, the cabin offers a premium feel with high-quality materials and a minimalist layout. A widescreen cockpit, augmented reality, AR, head-up display, and fully digital controls highlight its advanced technological focus. 2. Technical specifications. The Ioniq 9 is built on Hyundai's advanced EGMP, Electric Global Modular Platform, which provides high-efficiency, spacious interiors, and cutting-edge battery technology. Motor and performance. The vehicle is expected to feature a dual-motor all-wheel drive (AWD) setup delivering strong performance. A single-motor rear-wheel drive (RWD) variant might also be available as a more economical option. Estimated total power output, high 400 to 500 horsepower. Battery and range, equipped with a battery capacity of up to 100 kilowatt-hours. The Ioniq 9 is anticipated to offer a range of approximately 600 to 700 kilometers, 435 miles. Ultra-fast charging technology allows it to add 300 kilometers, 186 miles of range in just 15 minutes. Charging. The Ioniq 9 supports 800 volts fast charging infrastructure, enabling charging speeds of up to 350 kilowatts. Additionally, the V2L, vehicle to load, feature allows the vehicle's battery to power external devices, making it highly versatile. 3. Technology and features. Hyundai is incorporating top-tier technological advancements in the Ioniq 9. Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, ADAS. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring are standard. Autonomous driving capabilities, possibly reaching level 3, may also be included. Connectivity. A cutting-edge infotainment system with a 15-inch screen is expected. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and remote vehicle management are standard features. Comfort features, heated and ventilated seats, an advanced air filtration system for a cleaner cabin environment. 4. Dimensions and practicality. The Ioniq 9 promises ample interior space and versatility. Dimensions. It is expected to have similar dimensions to the Hyundai Palisade or Kia EV9, measuring approximately 5 meters in length and 2 meters in width. Cargo space. With a flat floor design and a large trunk, the vehicle offers plenty of room for both passengers and cargo. 5. Sustainability. Hyundai emphasizes sustainability, and the Ioniq 9 reflects this commitment. Eco-friendly materials. The interior uses biodegradable and recycled materials. Energy efficiency. Its aerodynamic design minimizes energy consumption, maximizing range. 6. The Hyundai Ioniq 9 will compete with models like the Tesla Model X, Kia EV9, and Volvo EX90. Pricing. The estimated starting price is around $80,000, with higher trims exceeding $100,000. Conclusion. The Hyundai Ioniq 9 stands out as a premium electric SUV, offering exceptional performance, luxurious features, and a spacious interior. With advanced technologies, sustainable design, and long-range capabilities, it's poised to become one of the most attractive electric SUVs on the market. If you're looking for a spacious, powerful, and eco-friendly SUV, the Hyundai Ioniq 9 could exceed your expectations. Thanks for watching. The Hyundai Ioniq 9 is a true game-changer in the world of electric vehicles, combining cutting-edge technology, impressive range, and a bold design. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth content on the latest in automotive innovation. Let me know your thoughts about the Ioniq 9 in the comments below. Would you consider it your next EV? Until next time, take care and drive safe.